Hello and welcome back to English Podcast with Ziko. I'm Ziko, and as always, I'm here with the brilliant Sarah. How are you doing today, Sarah?
I'm doing great, Ziko. I'm really excited about today's episode because we're talking about something very special that's just around the corner.
Oh yeah? And what's that?
We are diving into 15 essential English phrases for Eid al-Fitr.
Ah, yes, Eid al-Fitr, the festival of breaking the fast. It's a huge celebration for Muslims all over the world, marking the end of Ramadan.
Exactly. So whether you're celebrating or just want to wish your friends, colleagues, or neighbors well, we've got you covered.
All right, so let's jump right in. We've broken these phrases down into a few categories to make them easier to remember. First up, basic greetings. These are the absolute must-knows.
The must-knows. Okay, so the number one most common greeting you will hear is Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak. It's classic, it's simple. It literally means blessed Eid or happy Eid. You really can't go wrong with this one.
Not at all. And there's such a lovely, warm feeling when you say it or hear it. It's like it officially kicks off the celebration. It connects everyone. It's the perfect go-to. Okay, so a slightly different version, number two, is Happy Eid. Just straight up English.
Right, happy Eid. Super simple, everyone will understand it, and it shows you're making an effort. It's warm, it's friendly.
And our third one for greetings is a question you can ask. How are you celebrating Eid?
Ooh, I like that one. It's an invitation, it opens up a conversation. It shows you're genuinely interested in their plans.
Yeah, totally. It's much more engaging than a simple greeting. So to recap the greetings, Eid Mubarak, Happy Eid, and how are you celebrating Eid?
Perfect. Okay, let's move on to our next category, which is all about wishing people well, spreading the good vibes.
Yes, so phrase number 4 is wishing you and your family a blessed Eid.
That's a lovely one. It's a bit more formal, maybe, but also very warm because you're including their family.
Exactly, and family is so central to Eid celebrations. So yeah, it's a really thoughtful thing to say.
Right. Okay, number 5. This one's great. May this special day bring peace, happiness, and prosperity to everyone.
Wow, that's a beautiful sentiment. It's got everything in there: peace, happiness, prosperity. It's a big, generous wish.
It is. It's something you could write in a card or maybe say in a more heartfelt moment.
Definitely. And number 6 is a nice, simple follow-up: enjoy the celebrations.
Enjoy the celebrations. Yeah, that's perfect. It's a beat, positive, and just a nice way to end a conversation.
For sure.
All right, what's our next category, Sarah?
We are talking about traditions, things you might see or do during Eid.
Okay, cool. So phrase number 7 is, are you wearing a new outfit for Eid?
Yes, this is a big tradition. People often buy new clothes to wear for the Eid prayer and celebrations. It's a sign of a fresh start.
Right, I see. So asking about it is a great way to connect.
Absolutely. And number 8 ties into another tradition. Did you see the new moon?
Ah, the moon sighting. That's how the start of Eid is officially declared, right? The sighting of the crescent moon.
You got it. It's a moment of huge excitement. So asking about it is, it shows you know your stuff. It really is. I remember one year my entire neighborhood was out on their balconies, squinting at the sky. There were false alarms, kids with binoculars. It felt like a citywide treasure hunt. When someone finally shouted, "There it is!" this huge cheer went up. It was just pure joy and unity, a really magical moment.
It shows you've been listening to our podcast. That sounds amazing. It really paints a picture of the community coming together. It's not just an astronomical event, it's a shared social experience.
Exactly. And number 9, this one is about a very important act of charity. Have you given your zakat al-Fitr?
Okay, so explain that one. Zakat al-Fitr.
It's a charitable donation that Muslims are required to make before the Eid prayer. It's meant to help those in need so they can also enjoy the day. It's a beautiful concept.
It really is. So asking about it it's a respectful way to acknowledge a deeper part of the festival.
Precisely. And another wonderful tradition is the giving of Eid. This is often a gift of money given to children by older relatives. It's a real highlight for them.
Okay, I'm getting hungry. We have to talk about the best part of any celebration, the food.
Ah, the crisp new bills, a great memory for sure. So you could ask something like, are the children excited for their Eid? That would be a nice conversation starter.
Of course, our next category is food and feasting. Phrase number 10 is a great question. What special dishes have you prepared? Another huge part of Eid is visiting family and friends. It's a day for strengthening bonds. And of course, visiting family and friends is a huge part of Eid. There's a lot of going from house to house, sharing food, and catching up.
Yes, food is central to the celebration. Families they cook up a storm. So this question is always a winner. You will definitely get a very enthusiastic answer to that one.
I can imagine. Okay, number 11. The feast looks amazing, or everything smells delicious.
A compliment. You can't go wrong with complimenting the food. The host will love you for it.
Oh, for sure. It's a sign of appreciation for all the hard work that went into the cooking.
And number 12, a simple and polite one. Can I try a little bit of that?
Good one. It shows you're eager to participate and try the traditional foods, but you're also being polite about it.
Exactly. You're not just diving in, you're asking permission. It's just good manners.
All right, we're down to our last 3 phrases. This is our final category, general conversation starters.
You know, speaking of special dishes, my grandmother used to make the most incredible biryani for Eid. I can still remember the aroma filling the whole house. It was the centerpiece of our feast, and for me, that smell is the smell of Eid. Let's do it. Number 13 is, what's your favorite memory of Eid?
Ooh, that's a lovely nostalgic question. It gets people sharing personal stories, which is, the best way to connect with someone.
Totally. It goes beyond the surface level. And number 14 is for after the day itself. How was your Eid?
Right, a simple follow-up. If you see a colleague or friend after the holiday, asking them, how was your Eid, is just a really thoughtful gesture.
It shows you remembered they were celebrating and that you care. It means a lot.
It really does. Okay, last but not least, phrase 15.
And it is, I hope you had a wonderful Eid with your loved ones.
Ah, that's a perfect way to wrap things up. It's warm, it's sincere, and again, it focuses on family, loved ones.
The perfect ending note. So there you have it, 15 phrases to help you connect and celebrate with people during Eid al-Fitr.
Let's do a super quick recap. We started with basic greetings like Eid Mubarak.
Then we moved on to well wishes like wishing you and your family a blessed Eid.
We talked about traditions, asking about new clothes or the moon sighting.
Then the best part, food. Complimenting the feast is always a good idea.
And finally, some general conversation starters and follow-ups, like asking, how was your Eid?
We really hope you found these phrases helpful. The most important thing is to just, speak from the heart. People will always appreciate the effort.
Absolutely. A simple, sincere, happy Eid can go a long way. So get out there and practice.
And that's all the time we have for today. Don't forget to subscribe to English Podcasts with Ziko on whatever platform you're using.
Yep, and you can find us on social media to suggest topics for future episodes. Thanks for tuning in, everyone.
Until next time, Eid Mubarak to all who are celebrating. Bye.
Bye-bye.